Think that stain is permanent? Think again. These are the impossible stains that homeowners give up on, but professionals remove them every day. Watch this. Red wine ground into white carpet. Year-old grease on upholstery. Pet stains that have set for months. Most people try everything and fail. Here's why pros succeed where DIY fails. Secret number 1. Pros identify the stain type first. Different stains need different solutions. Secret number 2. Professional-grade enzymes break down organic stains at the molecular level. Secret number 3. Hot water extraction pulls stains from deep fibers, not just the surface. Secret number 4. The Game Changer specialized spotting chemicals you can't buy in stores. Unbelievable. Stains that looked permanent are completely gone. This is the difference between amateur attempts and professional expertise backed by commercial-grade equipment. Don't throw away stained furniture or replace expensive carpets. Our professionals have removed stains that homeowners thought were impossible. Save thousands with expert treatment. Too busy to clean your home? Call Bear Brothers Cleaning today, 256-633-6332. Visit bearbroscleaning.com.